Hi everybody, Dr. Winnie King here, and I want to talk with you about my Skin Rebirth Kit. Now this is a foundational kit that pretty much everybody that comes to my practice gets started on, and that's because it starts changing your skin on a very, very fundamental level. Often when people come to me for the first time and we talk about their skincare, they'll tell me that they have products from about 5 different skincare lines, and they use them kind of on and off, sort of depending upon how their skin looks on a given day. That's not the way to do it. You want to get started on a rock solid, prescription grade skincare line. And that's what my Skin Rebirth Kit is. Each of these products is designed to really help improve the quality, the tone, the character of your skin. Now, there are 5 ingredients to this kit, and they're going to last you for several months. This is not a 30-day supply of ingredients. And there are videos on each of these individual products that you can watch so that you can learn even more details about them. Now, the first thing is the Revitalizing Cleanser. Start out with that. Just squirt some on your hand, rub it in, and wash it off with water. Then we have the pH Balance Toner. This is a great toner, and I often get comments from people that say, oh, I just love spritzing that all over my face and then rubbing it in and letting it absorb into your skin. Then we have the tretinool, which is retinol, and it's 0.5%. It's great for turning over your skin, helping to brighten your skin and make it look even more pretty. Then we have the serum that has both vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid. We call it Vita CE. A couple of drops on your hand, rub it into your face, and let that dry. And then the last step is the Hydro Essence, and this is the final step that helps to protect and seal your skin for the day, and it also has an SPF or sun protection factor of 40. So you're going to get some protection from those UVA and UVB rays when you go out into the sun. This is a great product. You know, we do laser hair, we do microneedling, including exosomes and the vampire facial, and all of those are great. But what you really need is a strong foundational kit that's going to teach your skin to do the wonderful, beautiful things that you're hoping for, brightening the skin, tightening the pores, making the skin even in its texture. The Skin Rebirth Kit is a fabulous product for just that, and I think you're going to really love it.